Hello Aquarius, you are tuned into Ruhani Guidance and this is your weekly prediction from 28th of November to the 5th of December 2020. Please take whatever resonates and leave the rest. For personalized readings, please reach to me. My email is mentioned in the description box below. And now let's quickly look into your energies, Aquarius. You've got the Seven of Swords and the King of Swords. Wow. So there is a lot of mental distraction that I see for my Aquarius this week. Seven of Swords here absolutely indicates that you want to run away from someone. You want to run away from someone who has been exerting a lot of pressure, a lot of control on you. Someone who wants to know everything that you do. A lot of, you feel like a slave around this person because they want to know everything, they want to control your actions, they want to control your decisions, and you just wish to get out of this situation right now. I think here you are trying to seek your own personal pleasure over anything else. This could also be, this doesn't look like a love equation to me. It looks like more of work because in your current work scenario, I feel that you feel extremely suppressed, you feel extremely worked up, and there must be an authority figure that has been sucking out your blood. And for that reasons, I feel that you really want to get out of your current place, current organization, move out to a much better place, or just move out for the time being. Aquarius, it's not too bad to think about yourself until and unless you're not sneaking behind someone's back or you're not doing any harm to them. On your love life, we've got the Fool and friendliness. I see a new relationship starting for my Aquarians. A very, very deep bond. This could be your best friend. This could be a friend that you know for very long. This could be a childhood friend. This could also indicate an engagement or a marriage. Whatever it is, I feel that you're going to start something new. You're going to be carefree. You're going to see whatever the universe wants to throw on you. And you just want to pursue this. I see extremely well suited energies for you and your partner. I see that both of you all bond really well, and there could be a phase where you might want to make this of a more permanent nature. The starting is going to be extremely well, and if you are able to carry on the way it is going to start, nothing can stop whatever you are doing. This can also be with a water sign, Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces, and they are a little more intuitive and emotional, and you will have to adjust to their energies. But overall, I see extremely good things happening on your love front. On to your work. We've got Ace of Cups. I feel that you're going to start something new, something that you're more passionate about, something that you have been wanting to do, because in your current work situation you feel extremely suppressed and you don't know what to do. You just want to move out of there. But this is a last phase where you're going to be in this work, and I feel that you're going to start something new. The success is guaranteed as long as you keep the same dedication that you have from day 1 to day 100. And then things really look good for you, Aquarius. A lot of things are just stuck in your mind and in your heart, and you haven't been able to vocalize your feelings or your fears or your dreams. And I feel that it has to do with a lot of clutter that you absorb throughout your environment. You just keep listening, you never respond back. So one thing that you have to leave back in November would be clear out the clutter. Frog purification, do a detox, do something so that you could just feel much better, feel much more relaxed and less cluttered in your head rather than anywhere else. You could also start with physical decluttering. That will help you just help you clear your mind as well. A message from your loved one would be, I wish I could take my words back. And for the Aquarians who are trying to start something new or would want some sort of a healing, try writing something. You have a book inside of you that wishes to be expressed. Make the time to write it. Write your feelings and get rid of them, Aquarians. So the crystal for you this week is is Sodalite. Sodalite is a blue crystal that will help your throat and your third eye chakra. A better option would be to have a blue lace agate bracelet with an angel. You really have to talk and communicate with your angels, because you are going to get a lot of help from your angels, Aquarius. Just try to center your mind, speak out loud, thinking that your angels are around you, and you will see the magic happen, Aquarius. So if you do not have the blue lace agate bracelet, you can always order with Ruhani Guidance, and we can courier it to you, and you'll get it at the best rate possible. They come all energized and attuned to your energies. So Aquarius, this was your weekly reading. I hope you've enjoyed your reading. If this resonates with you, please write to me in the comment section below. I really look forward to your comments in the comment section and not in my DMs, please, so that even others know how the readings work for you, and that also helps me increase the reach for my channel. Please write to me in the comment section, and until I do the next reading, you stay home, stay safe, and stay tuned to Ruhani Guidance.